This message is for the traders who started, not out of greed, but out of need. For the ones who looked at life and said, I can't live like this forever. Maybe you started trading because you wanted to help your family. Maybe you were tired of seeing the same financial struggle. The bills, the debt, the pressure. You saw trading as your way out, your shot at freedom. But somewhere along the road, it started to feel like the same thing you were trying to escape. You've probably heard it all, haven't you? Them saying, you're wasting your time. You're delusional. When are you going to get a real job? And maybe the worst part is, those words didn't come from strangers. They came from people you love. From the ones you hoped would understand. You thought they'd support you. Instead, they made you feel smaller. You lost friends who got tired of waiting for you to make it. Maybe even a relationship that couldn't survive the waiting. You've seen people move on, new jobs, new cars, new lives. While you're still here, staring at charts, wondering if all this pain will ever mean something. And when you lose again, it's not just the money anymore, but your confidence. It feels like a part of you breaks each time. You sit in silence thinking, maybe they were right. But they're not right. They never were. You see, people who've never been on this path can't understand what it takes. They see charts, you see a future. They see losses, you see lessons. Trading isn't just about money. It's about who you're becoming through the process. The person who learns to stay calm under pressure. The one who learns patience, control, and faith in themselves. You might feel broken now. You might feel like everything you touch fails. But you're not done, you're developing. Every blown account, every loss, every setback. It's not the end. It's a layer being peeled off. Making room for the version of you that can handle success. Because success isn't just about winning trades. It's about surviving the losses, without losing yourself. I know you're tired. Tired of waking up early, staring at charts all day. And ending the day feeling defeated. Tired of trying everything, strategies, courses, mentorships. And still ending up at square one. But let me tell you something. Nobody talks about how long it really takes. How lonely it gets. How heavy it feels when your only hope seems to keep slipping away. Yet, if you can stay patient, truly patient, everything starts to click. Slowly, quietly, and then all at once. The truth is, you're not behind. You're just being prepared. Every sleepless night, every breakdown, every moment of doubt. It's building your resilience. It's teaching you how to handle pressure. Because one day, you'll need that strength. When success finally comes. Most people quit right before the breakthrough. Don't let that be your story. You've already felt the pain of staying the same. So you might as well feel the pain of becoming something more. Don't let your past losses define you. Let them refine you. Don't chase perfection, chase understanding. Trading isn't just a skill. It's a mirror. It shows you your weaknesses, not to shame you, but to help you fix them. And when you finally get through it, when it starts making sense, that's when you realize it was never just about the money. It was about becoming the person capable of earning it. So to every trader who feels invisible, who feels misunderstood, who's on the edge of quitting, take a breath. You're not failing. You're learning. You're building a future most people will never have. Because they gave up too early. One day, the same people who doubted you will ask how you did it. And you'll smile, not out of pride, but because you'll finally understand that the struggle was never against the market. It was against the part of you that almost gave up. Keep going. You're closer than you think.